A search is underway right now for 3 men missing, feared drowned after a fishing trip on Melbourne's Port Phillip Bay. Their small boat was found upturned off Altona yesterday afternoon. Family are this morning on the scene, desperate to find any trace of the missing men.
This is their first dinghy that they've brought, and I think they wanted to try see how it was, and it wasn't a good day. We've been told that to expect the worst and hope for the best, but it hasn't been good.
Relatives say life jackets were on board, however they're not sure if the men were wearing them.